Boom! Welcome to Independence Day, 4th of July, 2021, 1776. America signed the independence, the Constitution of America, so that we might be free. I'm going to run some gun show today. I'm going to run a cycle. We're going to go from the lower rep to the higher rep. Got the bars down on the ground. We're going to start right here. Bring this up, and we're going to bring it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh! Put that one aside. Boom. You're going to come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bam. Put that one down. Oh, takes work, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, baby. Put that one down. Running the bars. Bringing it up. Whoo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, baby. Oh, last one. I'm feeling the burn. Feeling the burn. Gotta feel the burn. 1, ow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's running the bars, folks. Get yours. Happy 4th of July from the Reichbos family to yours. We'll see you in the next one.